still wondering how to use all the chemicals for your hot tub, then this is the video for you. Okay, little filter, 3 months. Big filter, clean this every week, rinse this off every week, and do a good washing at least once a month. This could last 6 months to a year. The Spa Shock Oxidizer, use on a regular, consistent basis. I use daily. Stain and scale on a weekly basis. An enzyme to keep it nice and clear on a weekly basis. And an enhanced shock on a weekly basis. Defoamer, use as needed when there's foam. And then be sure that you always stay in balance with a decreaser or an increaser of your pH. And keep a bunch of these test strips on hand so that you can always test as needed. Should be testing at least once a week. And if you can keep it right in balance, then your water is going to stay good and clear. Okay, hope this helps. And now if Dan can, you can too.